As you can see, the truck jumped the curb, hit the tree, and somehow the pole came loose. Not a good time to be on the road right around here.
What are you doing? That pole's in high risk for you. Turn in there. One. Well, now you're making the things a whole lot worse. Just go ahead. Just be careful of traffic down there. Relax here. Cones are there for a reason. You're going to have to go through them again, but in the future, don't go through cones, please. Go ahead. Through here. Be very careful. Got to pay better attention, sir.
That's all I got from here.